Welcome. In front of me I have ASUS Zenfone 7 Pro, and I'm going to show you how we can apply full screen protector on this device. So as you can see here, I got my screen protector, and what we have to do at the first, we have to prepare a good source of the light. We have to see every mess that we have on our screen. We have to clean our screen really good, because when we mess up with that step, we'll get bubbles under the screen protector. So let's start with the wipes. Here I got wet and dry. Of course we are going to start with this one, and it will be really good if you have something like the stickers. We will take off the piece of the dust after cleaning with our wipes. If you don't have the stickers, you can use duct tape. It will also work. So at the first, let's start from wipes. Let's grab wet and just do it like that. We have to move gestures like in the circle. Remember to clean also edges. And I think that right now it looks really good, much better than before. And then let's move to the second wipe. Okay, I think that it's finished. So right now we'll move to our screen protector. And just take a look on the screen. Here we have some pieces of the dust, so we have to get this dust absorber or the duct tape. Depends on what you have in your hand. So we have to make gestures like that. We can easily take off this dust from the screen. It will stick to our sticker. Okay, I think that right now it's in really good condition. So next we have to grab our screen protector. Let's take off this before the application. So let's make it like that, do it slowly, and just take a look on the screen one more time. I don't see any dust here, so I think that we can start. So let's start by applying, wait. Okay, it's a monitor. Never mind. We have to start like that from the upper section, and as you can see, it sticks to the screen. Okay, I think right now it looks really good. So right now we have to keep this bottom part in our fingers, and then we can press like that and just take off your hand. And as you can see, it goes almost automatically, so we don't have to do anything right now. Okay, and I will put it back, and then we have to take off this air. We can find it right here on this edge, so we have to press. We can do it with our finger, but we can also do it with this wet wipe or dry wipe. And as you can see here, I have something comes under the screen protector. So this is some kind of the dust, but I will show you how you can remove this one really easy. So don't worry. Okay, as you can see right now, it sticks really good to the screen. So if you have some pieces of the dust, you can grab this kind of the sticker, and then you have to just take off a little bit this screen protector, so we can use our finger and then we can put this sticker right here and then just press it. Do it second time, and as you can see right now, it's not right here, so it goes really good. Here we can find another one, so let's take it also. Okay, put it back, and we can also try to remove this dust from our screen. So we can do it in the same way. So lift your screen protector a little bit, then put here under the screen the sticker and then take it off. And as you can see, that's how we can remove dust from your screen protector. Then we can press with our finger on the edges, and as you can see right now, it looks really good. Right now we can work, we can try if the touch interaction is good, and as you can see, everything is fine. So yeah, that's how we can apply screen protector on your ASUS Zenfone 7 Pro. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!